Hi everyone, I'm Melissa.
Leslie.
I'm McKenna.
And today we're gonna be making a caterpillar racer.
We're gonna need some paper, so you could use any kind of craft paper at your house. We're gonna need scissors. So there's a pair of scissors for you. And we're going to need little stickers and a pen. We need a pen. Right here. So, what do we do first?
So first, we're gonna fold the paper in half, just like so.
We need to cut it. We're gonna cut it in half. Then, what do we do?
We fold it one more time,
Okay.
and then we open it, and then we're gonna fold it to where that line we created is at. Both ends. And then we're gonna fold it one more time
To the middle.
to the middle. Yeah. And then we're gonna fold it in half.
Little.
So it should be like this. And then now we're gonna cut around so it could look like the little caterpillar's body.
Okay, so just a little bit, right? Or a lot?
A little bit.
Like that much?
Yeah, perfect. See, this is our cute little caterpillar, but now it needs a face. So you grab any marker and we're gonna draw the caterpillar's face.
Of course, she's gonna make eyelashes. Okay, mine's simple face. Mine is a dot and a smiley face. Now we'll make it like an open mouth face. There. Okay.
Thank you. I'm just simple face.
And then we need a little sticker.
Mhm.
So we know where to aim the straw when we blow on it. So see, I put it in the middle, on the back side of the middle. All right, let's do a race.
Ready,
Ready?
set, go.
I have to start over, not fair.